Alright, so I've gotten some questions about how to make one of these cool slideshows with a bunch of examples that you can just scroll through and scroll to the side to a new term with a definition and just limitless examples. These examples were written by Exemplar users, so I want to show you how. You'll go to the main page on Exemplar.com, which looks like this, and you'll click into Make Lists. Make lists. So you got to make a list. Maybe you already have a list that you want to do this with, but I'm going to show you how to make one. So let's say we want to make a social psych list, and we're going to make that in the psychology area. And let's put in, I don't know, groupthink and group polarization, and I think that's all the group stuff, and maybe social facilitation and social loafing. And how about foot in door effect, but also door in face, and maybe cognitive dissonance and fundamental attribution error. All of these are terms on Exemplar that have been plowed through by lots of students, and we could practice them over here by doing them, taking us to the pages. But what we want to do is a teacher special thing where we can present them. We want to go to Teach with Exemplar up here, and we can say, hey, maybe my 2A AP Psych should have the social psych list, and let's write some instructions about these are due next week. I don't know. That's just going to prompt you with that every time so that you're giving your kids some guidance. So this is the magic button here, Present Slides. So here on the first one, we've got groupthink, and we can use the arrow keys to go up and down to go through different examples. We can use the right and left arrow keys to go to the next term, and we can present these on the board and look at the alternate forms, and it even you can spin with the mouse wheel, or you can swipe. So you can swipe up and down to make these rotate. There's also these two little buttons down here. If you think one of these is bad, like it has bad grammar, or it's just not a good example, or it's a definition, click on this little frowny face guy. It will report it to me, and I'll be able to fix it. If you think it's really good, you want to heart it. And if you heart enough of these, let's say I'll heart a couple, and maybe I don't like that one, I do like this one, maybe I want more examples. How about this one's a good one? What if I only want to see my hearted examples because I want to present those to kids? I press this up here, and then there I have it. Only the ones that I picked out. So you can do that for each and every one, and you can have all your favorited examples shown to your students in a special example slideshow deck made just by you. So that's how it's done. I hope you like it and can get some use out of showing it to your students.